Welcome to our guide on sending high-quality images on WhatsApp. Let's explore the simple steps to share your photos with clarity and detail. To begin, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once the app is launched, you'll see your list of chats displayed. Next, navigate to the chat where you want to send the high-quality image. Tap on the chat to open it and proceed with sharing the photo. Within the chat window, locate and tap on the attachment icon. This will bring up a menu of different file types to choose from. Select Document from the options presented. This allows you to access various files, including images, to send within the chat. Choose from Gallery to select the photo you wish to share from your device's gallery. Browse through your photos and pick the high-quality image you want to send. Once you've selected the desired photo, tap on it to confirm your choice. Then, tap the send arrow icon to share the high-quality image with the recipient in the chat. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly send high-quality images on WhatsApp and enhance your messaging experience with clear and crisp visuals. Share your favorite moments with friends and family in stunning detail today.